2, 1, jump!
Hello! Hi family and friends and anybody else who might be watching. My name's Brittany, I'm from Australia.
And my name's Rob, I'm from England, and this year we've quit our jobs and stopped our studies to volunteer for a wildlife conservation charity in Indonesia. We'll be predominantly helping to protect endangered species and regrow forests in Borneo.
We want to try and live as sustainably as possible. We're heading in for our first meeting at the head office.
How do you feel?
Yeah, excited. I don't know what it's going to be like, but we'll see. So we just had our first meeting, what do you reckon?
Yeah, it went really well. They've got lots for us to do. I think it's going to be a busy year.
You! Look at that guy with a ladder. We've been playing tourists in Bali a bit, which has been really fun. Rob, got a bit of Bali belly.
Yeah, got very sick and spent a couple days very close to the toilet.
Rob has experienced his first ever Bali belly. How you feeling, babe?
Not good.
Think he'll live. We've got mangoes, we've got dragon fruit, we've got snake fruit, we've got grapes, bananas, coconuts, rambutans, pineapple, more coconut, mangoes.
Just a little bit of a spread, not too much.
We went and spent a day at the Wildlife Rescue Centre in Tabanan. Most of the animals that they have, they've gotten from the black market and the illegal pet trade as well, so people having things like monkeys and bears and exotic birds as pets that have been confiscated.
Dehydration. Yeah.
He's dehydrated. Where did you get the gibbon from?
From people as a pet.
Someone had as a pet?
Confiscated.
We met a awesome little sun bear called Balu, who they rescued off the black market. He's about a year old, and we got very attached to him. We also saw hornbills. What else did we see?
Crocodiles,
Crocodiles,
leaf monkeys,
birds.
lots of birds. So here they aim to keep the animals, get them healthy again, and then release and relocate them. Now we're in North Bali. We checked out some really cool waterfalls yesterday.
It's also been incredibly hot, and as an Englishman, the heat and me don't go well, so there's been a lot of
Sweating
sweating.
a lot.
Okay, well, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed it.
And we're going to make another, oh there's the butterfly. We'll put up another video next week if you want to tune in again, and now we'll show you around the villa. See ya!